Wat?
Kan zo niet zo.
Wat bedoel je? Zeg maar good morning.
Good morning.
What are you making?
Mama,
What are you making?
pancake.
She's gonna make pancakes. It's early
Ik
in the
ga
morning.
paard om de kop
You speak
maken.
English, love. Speak English. Now I'm gonna make pancakes.
I make pancake.
With who? With who are you gonna make pancakes? With Papa?
No.
With who?
Mama.
With Mama. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. For what do you need to do first? First, you put in the flour.
Ja.
Wait a sec.
Eh?
And then it's gonna break. You
Gonna
put it in
break.
the egg, but egg. You just use everything now, and then we're gonna put new one in. Okay. You like making pancakes? Just be careful that you don't spill, huh? Just put it in like this.
Yeah. Come on.
Do more. Wait, we're gonna put in new one. Open a new bag.
Yeah. New bag.
Just wait, just wait.
Look here.
Where's Papa now? What do you think Papa's doing?
Hij is boven in papa's kamer. Papa heeft oetoet gedaan.
Papa did utut?
Ja.
Papa farted. Say, Papa farted.
Papa fout het.
Did you fart too? Did you also fart, love? Love, did you also fart?
No.
No. What do you do when Papa farts? What do you do when Papa farts?
Oetoet.
No, what do you do when Papa farts? You cover your...
Nose.
You cover your nose.
Er moet er nog meer in, mama.
Ja, wacht.
Nu is hij genoeg.
Huh?
Nu is hij genoeg.
That's enough.
Oké.
Okay, just do it slowly, okay? 2 hands. Wait! Ah! Uh-oh, you put in.
Het is helemaal niks, mama.
Het is helemaal niks, kijk. Het is niet helemaal niks. Zie je?
Yeah.
That's fine. You don't need to do it fast, love. Just take your time. Yeah? Kita gidjot kagagmay ba po na yung gibutan?
Nu altijd komen met mijn hand.
Oh yeah, you use the right hand. Use the right hand.
Nee, het kan niet.
Nee,
Nu
is it
deze hand. Want
Okay.
het is veel te mooi.
It's easier with your left hand? Yeah. Is that genoeg? Sakto na na?
Zet er net.
Sakto na na?
Ja. Niet erin.
Nee, it's okay. Just leave it there. There, huh?
Dat doen we daar niet voor.
Uh-oh. That's why you wait for Mama, okay? Next time you
Je
wait for Mama.
hand.
Next time you wait for Mama or you ask Mama if that's okay.
Mag ik nu de eigen?
Yeah, look there on your foot. Now it's dirty. Okay, later. Sige na. Put the egg in. Crack it. Oops. It's oh, wait.
Hij was jeugd, mama.
You liked it? That's nice, huh?
Mijn handen zijn heel goed.
It's okay. That's fine.
Ja, dat is heel leuk. En nu doen we niks.
You just mix first. You mix it first, and then we will put in the milk afterwards.
Je doet in de melk en dan deze. En dan deze. En dan
Allah.
deze. Dat is weer.
Wait. Yep, mix it.
Ja, ik wil dat doen.
You just slowly mix it. Don't go too fast, yeah?
Ja, ik kan het heel goed.
Just do it slowly. I'll put in the...
Wow.
It's
ik vasthouden.
It's kaneel.
Ja, het is kaneel.
Kaneel.
Het is kaneel, guys.
It's cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, do it slowly. Yeah.
Mama,
Mix
maar ik
everything.
wil ook doen.
Okay.
Het is vies.
Yeah, it's not. Just don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Ik zeg, mama, ik wil dit.
Just hold the other side properly, okay?
Oké, en wat ik ga zeggen nou.
Oh. Just be careful, that's okay. You don't need to do it fast. Sige, go. Maaptan, siguro tag-ugmaan nilang. Yeah. It'll take us maybe 5 days before we're done. Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Did you have a bad dream?
Mama,
Yeah.
and now do we that
Not yet, not
later.
yet. Not yet with the milk. We're not yet done with the milk. Mix everything well.
Mama.
See? You see dry ones here?
Mama, nu mag jij even mee.
And then you put in more milk. Oh. You help Mama with the milk.
Oké.
Just not too much. Just not too much. You
Een
just
beetje?
yeah, een beetje meer. Nee, dat is genoeg, denk ik.
Ja.
Koud melk is ook goed.
Ja, doe me vast. Nu is hij genoeg.
Oh, this is perfect.
Ga maar zo, maar zo. Doe maar zo doen.
Huh?
Doe maar zo doen.
Like that?
Ja.
Get the vanilla.
Nee?
Vanilla, this
Oké.
one.
Oh, nee.
Can you open it? Can you help? Just a little bit, okay?
Oké.
Just a little bit. A little bit.
Kan je niet opeten?
Nee, just a little bit, okay? Yeah, this one. And then the purple, the ube.
Als je daar.
Yeah, can you open it or you need help?
Oh.
Oh yay! Unsa man ni, oy?
Hij is heel vies, hè? En hoeft te deed met de vinger.
It's not dirty. Yeah, that's enough. Sige na, mix na. Oh. Yeah, mix well.
Snel. Ugh.
What? Ew.
Dus vies kan je niet opeten.
Huh?
Kan helemaal niet opeten.
Ayan.
Mama, ik wil water drinken.
Okay, what do you say?
Alsjeblieft.
Always say please, huh? Alam na, nung naman ikapit.
Wat is er, mama?
Be careful, Pangga. Alsjeblieft.
Dank u wel.
Oopsie. Oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the smooth pan?
Er is something.
Huh?
There's something.
Sound. It's not sound, it's mutta.
Maar,
Oh.
maar het is not mutta, it's salt. Maar, King,
Wait,
een meisje zegt dat ze zand in bij dat ding. Ja. Meen.
Move to the other side, please.
Oké.
Yan na yung aming ube pancake. Yan si Madam. Paborito niya po talaga ito. Si Ruth naman nanonood ng qualification.
Oh, it's a race.
Oh, it's the race itself!
Race, yeah. Sunday.
Oh yeah, it's Honda, Papa. I was thinking it's Saturday. Wanagi kamot naman na. Lami! Lami! Say lami!
Ja, maar.
Did you miss Mama? pancake.
Mama.
You want to eat here?
Yeah.
Okay. Kailangan din mag-akos good magkaon, no?
Mama.
Sige, nahala.
Medyo madalik.
O sige na, eat na. You do it yourself. Stuck.
Stop, yes.
Na, hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Kumusta kayong lahat? Kumusta kayong lahat? Tara, oh, there. Ano ngayon, Sunday, so wala kaming ganaw. Ay, punta pala akong school mamaya. Part-time ako. Mga 2 oras lang siguro, 3, ganyan. Hindi.
Ow.
Ay, sorry love, sorry. Ano? And baka maglalakad-lakad po kami mamaya, so isama namin kayo. Maaga kaming ginising ni Ana. Or actually, same time naman, 7:30 siya usually na nagigising. Yeah? You slept well, yeah? Is it your leveling? Leveling sa 8?
Yeah.
Yeah. Favorite food niya daw ito.
I should only put.
And we'll get ready after that and soon, and then Mama goes to work, and you and Papa will go.
Swim back.
Yeah, you will go swimming.
My eyes nog niet open.
Is still closed, yeah?
Ja, maar mijn is nog niet open.
Is nog niet open.
Nee, hij is nog een klein beetje dicht.
Oh,
Een beetje nog.
yeah, and then.
Papa, hij is nog een klein beetje dicht, hè?
Ja. Een planning one.
Zeg je?
And then going to school I want 9.
Yeah.
And then I go with Anna to the pool. Is that good?
Ja, dat is goed.
Ja. Okay.
Mama gaat vandaag werken.
Ja, Mama gaat vandaag werken, hè?
Papa,
Ja.
en eerst naar mama werken brengen, hè?
Ja.
Ja, we gaan eerst naar jouw werk brengen.
And then?
Bij de zwembad.
Use your fork, love. Use your fork. We have to clean your.
Papa!
Now we have to clean your ear later, lang, ha?
Papa, ik zou eerst naar papa jaartje moeten. Papa!
Nou, dat zwembad.
So mag-ready na po ako in 15 minutes, and then punta na sila.
Wel in de auto, niet in het zwembad.
Punta na silang swimming pool. Dito lang din po sa amin. So, mag-prepare muna kami guys, at balikan ko na naman po kayo mamaya. Hindi ko na po napatuloy yung video namin ni Ana kanina. Gumagawa siya ng pancake kasi hindi ko na malayan na nalobat na pala ito. Akala ko nagre-record pa din.
Nee, doe ik dadelijk, hè?
Ayan, papunta na po kami sa, ihati nila ako sa part-time, and then si Ana tsaka si Ruth mag-swimming na.
Papa, de zon schijnt.
Yan, the leaves are coming out, Ana.
Wat?
The leaves, bladeren. Oh, isasarado tong road na to. Oh, April 8. When is that? Monday? Morgen. Yan, ang ganda ng weather today, guys. Gusto ko lang ng ganito. Ayoko na masyadong mainit kasi pag mainit masyado, madali din masakit yung ulo ko ba. Oh, it's going green. Nagpa-kiss pa siya. I love you. Doy, doy. Veel plezier. Doy. Yan, pick upin nila ako mamaya. Dito na po ako sa school, pero bawal ako mag-video. Kasi privacy ba.
A few moments later.
And dito na yung sundo ko, guys. Summer na summer ang feeling.
Ja, zomer.
Naka-short siya. Ito pa, binalik ko yung suot ko kagabi kasi nga nilinis lang naman ako, tapos maliligo pa ako. Grabe, ang daming tao sa labas. May mga nakabike na ngayon. Ayan o. What did you eat?
I just bought food.
Ang dami busy ngayon.
What yoghurt, brood.
Tingnan nyo naman ang weather, guys. Oh,
Ja, het is like
it's
Filipina-Dutch.
really summer.
20 degrees.
And it's only April. We have to put away the bottles here.
Ja.
Ayan. After, pagdating sa bahay, mag-ready po ako, mag-prepare ng pagkain ko kasi, ano na, 12:37 na and wala pa akong kain kasi nga, nag-cheat day kahapon doon sa Antwerp. So, tinatry ko na i-extend yung aking fasting, diba? Cheat day kahapon eh. Ay, nako. Where are we going today? No, no.
I don't know. Maybe to forest or just somewhere. We'll see.
Maglalakad daw. Oh, may lalabas kami kasama yung kaibigan ni Ro tsaka yung si Apple. Yung tayo na kaibigan ko ba. Wala. Si Ana guys, ando na sa lolo't lola. Sila daw ang magbabantay. Tapos, kunin namin siya maya-maya. Siguro mga dinner time. Grabe oh. Pero mainit sa labas na ngayon eh. Not as hot as it is in the Philippines, but
No, but here is different hot.
it's hot.
But on a good way. 20 degrees is perfect. If it's
20?
It's 20.
I'm gonna
If-
wear a t-shirt.
If it's
to the-
above 25, then it's too much.
I'm gonna wear a t-shirt today.
Yeah,
It's hot.
You should.
Yeah, t-shirt weather na tayo. Pero hindi siya nice yung pagka, ano niya ba, pagka-warm niya. Hindi siya sobrang masakit sa balat. If you stay in the sun, then yeah, you will really feel it. Madali pa naman po akong mag-tan. Tan na tayo, tapos madali pang watch out. Minir, kike out.
Yeah, that's always.
Yung nagbabike. Yung
Yeah.
nagbabike, hindi
Yeah.
tumitingin na,
That's the thing, Bang.
padating kami.
Many people have electrical bikes, so
Ang ganda ng weather. Uy. Kayo, kumusta ang inyong weekend? It's really hot in the Philippines now, Bang.
yeah,
Like really hot. I don't know. Like hot and humid, you know how it is.
more than
But
30 degrees.
hotter than when we were in the Philippines last year, I think. I see a lot of people posting how, like complaining how hot it is in the Philippines. Uy, ang ganda ng weather. Uy, grabe kainit. Ano naman eh. Ako na talaga ang nakakap sa loob ng sasakyan. Punta na po kami sa mga kaibigan ni Ruth. I can pee there. If I need to pee. First time kong gawin yun. Umihi ako dun guys. Oh, wala namang tao. Pero nagmadali akong umihi. First time kong gawin to dito sa Netherlands. Ay, naku. Kasi malayo pa yung lakad namin ba? Mo yun, no?
Yeah.
It's still cold, eh?
Wow, so cold.
Yeah, but when the wind blows, mafe-feel mo yung ano, yung hangin. Nobody can see me on that side.
Yeah. A lot of trees.
Yan, bahay na po kami. And ako ay kumakain. Ayan. Yung ating pagkatapos ng fasting.
Finally, yeah.
Dito siya, oh.
Dito show?
I said, you're here.
Yeah. They can see that one.
Dito siya. Kay, ano ko sa kanya? Parang dut siya. Ayan, 20, naka-ano ako today, naka 21 hours. Yun yung pinakamatagal ko so far. And nanonood ako ng vlog ni Dayan. Si Rod, aalis din siya to. Punta ulit siya doon sa friend niya. And then, punta nila yung isa pa niyang friend. Si Ana, ipipika po namin mga gabi na. So, i-close ko na lang din po yung pa-video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video ito. And, salamat sa panonood. Kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Duy! Mush, babush!
Babush.
Babush, papa.
Babush.